stuff. Shawty came from Mexico, she know she got the sweet stuff. Shawty came from Mexico, she know.
What if I told you that the next big social media star doesn't even exist in real life? AI influencers are taking over Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, earning millions, landing brand deals, and building massive fan bases, all without being human. Look at this for a second. Can you actually tell that what you're watching right now is completely AI generated? The lighting, the movement, the expressions, everything feels real. But none of this was filmed with a camera. This entire video was created using AI, and that's what makes it so powerful. This is the future of content creation, and it's happening right now. Now let's see how to do this using Higgsfield AI by creating your own AI influencer. From designing the look to generating realistic movements and expressions, Higgsfield makes the entire process simple and powerful. First, go to the Higgsfield AI website. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see the option for AI Influencer right there. If you can't find it, don't worry. I've also added the direct link in the video description below. Just click that, and you'll be taken straight to the page where you can start creating your own AI influencer. As on the left side, you'll notice a list of already generated AI characters that you can explore or use as inspiration. Right next to that, you'll see an empty space where you can create your own custom AI influencer. This is where the real magic starts. Building a unique character that looks, feels, and represents exactly what you want. Here, you can select every single detail to generate your character. From facial features to style and overall look, everything is fully customizable. The best part is how easy it is. You're in complete control, and you can design your AI influencer exactly the way you want, based on your own choices and creativity. And if you're not happy with the output, don't worry at all. You can always go back to the history and make changes whenever you want. This lets you refine your AI influencer step by step until it looks exactly the way you imagined. No pressure, no limits. And here's the image I generated. Just look at it for a moment. See how realistic it is? The details, the facial expressions, the overall quality. It honestly feels like a real person. This is what makes Higgsfield AI so powerful. Results that look natural, professional, and ready to use as an AI influencer. Once you've created an image and you're completely satisfied with it, the next step is turning it into a video using your character. To start, just look for the video icon below. Click it, and you're ready to bring your AI influencer to life. And this brings us to motion control in Kling 2.6. Here's where you can fine-tune every movement of your AI influencer, how they walk, gesture, and even express emotions. It gives you complete control over the animation. So your character doesn't just look real, it moves and behaves like a living, dynamic influencer. Amazing, right? Now that we have this model, we can create even more images using the same character. To do that, just click on the edit icon, and this will take you directly to Nano Banana Pro. From here, you can generate unlimited variations, refine details, and experiment freely, all included with Higgsfield AI. This makes it incredibly powerful for building consistent, high-quality AI influencers without any limits. And the best part is, these images can be generated in up to 4K quality. That means ultra-sharp details, clean textures, and professional-level results that are perfect for videos, social media, or branding your AI influencer. Everything looks crisp, realistic, and ready to use. All of these images were created using Nano Banana Pro inside Higgsfield AI. This tool makes it incredibly easy to generate high-quality, realistic visuals while keeping the same character consistent. Now, let's take a look at how you can create images like this yourself. I'll walk you through the exact steps so you can easily generate the same kind of high-quality, realistic results using Higgsfield AI. Here, I'm creating a prompt by copying all the details from an existing image and then replacing them with our own character. This helps keep the same style, lighting, and overall look, while making the image completely unique. You can find this exact prompt in the video description below, so feel free to copy it and try it yourself. First, I download an image from Pinterest so I can copy the overall style. This helps me capture the lighting, composition, and mood of the image, while still creating something original with my own AI character. It's a simple trick, but it makes a huge difference in getting high-quality results. Now, by following this simple trick, you can create unlimited images using the same character and style. And the best part is, right now this feature is completely free. That means you can experiment, test ideas, and build your AI influencer without any limits. Inside Kling Motion Control, you'll find many ready-to-use video templates that you can apply instantly. And if you want more control, you can also upload your own video and use it to create custom motion control. Super cool, right? And the next feature is just as insane. Just like motion control, Higgsfield also lets you swap a character directly inside a video. That means you can replace the original person with your own AI influencer, while keeping the same motion, actions, and realism. The final video size depends on the video and image you upload. So whatever resolution or aspect ratio you start with, the output will follow that format. This makes it easy to create videos that are perfectly optimized for YouTube, Instagram, or any other platform. And on top of that, you can generate videos in high quality that look like real, professionally shot footage. The lighting, motion, and realism are so good, it's hard to believe these videos were created entirely with AI. Right now, Higgsfield AI Influencer is completely free, so this is the perfect time to create your own. I've placed all the links in the video description below. Just click, get started, and start building your AI influencer today. Comment below and let me know your ideas or what you'd like to see next. I'd love to hear your thoughts and create more content around them. Following these tips, it's now super easy to create your own AI influencer. If you run into any problems or have questions, just drop a comment below. I'll help you out. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss my next videos. Thank you, and I'll see you again soon.